What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? I got something that I'm gonna need y'all to get a grip on. This is it right here. Can-Am has released the new grips for the Can-Am Ryker. Gripping style, riding comfort. I can break it all down for you now. CNC aluminum matching for robust durability. Choose from the fiery red or sleek back. Tailored for the Ryker 7/8 handlebars. We're gonna do an unboxing, install, and give you my opinion on how it looks and it feels. All right. So I have I've never changed the grips on the Can-Am Ryker, the one it came with, but I did put the foam grips on. Let's do an unboxing, see what we get. Woo! Sorry. There we go. And here we go. Your ride, only better. Thank you card. Can-Am. This is going to be for the throttle. This is going to be your grips. Of course, the brochure. Look who that is on the cover. Warranty card and instructions. So check them out, the grips. Oh man, it's got rubber and aluminum. Rubber inside, so it's a dampening grip, and you could squeeze it and it's a lot wider, so it won't all the guys to get a little hand cramps. This should ease it all up. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. These are nice. All right, so you will have to remove your mirror. And these are the end weights from Can-Am. These are the end weights from Can-Am. You're gonna have to remove the mirror, and you will have to remove your instrument. Well, your switch panel, your switch housing has to be removed. Only for the throttle side, not for the regular side. All right. Using a T25, we're gonna loosen up these three. Take these off. Mine were pretty easy to take out. I'm gonna slice the old ones off, because I'm not going to use it. And this should explode. This will expose the throttle. It's all about just lining it back up after it's done. So this is, I don't even have to cut this off. We're just gonna wiggle this out, and we're gonna pull it straight out. And we're gonna replace it with replacement throttle. Here's our replacement. Goes right on. It's gonna fit right in here. Right into the position. There we go. And then we're gonna put the assembly back together and soak this up and slide the grip on. So before I put everything on, just want to make sure that turns smoothly. It does. We're going to get some soapy water and slide that red grip on.
I know what carpal tunnel is now that I
Yeah, carpal tunnel. Right? So yeah, I just put the grips on. Woo, they feel good in my hand. I still got my throttle assist. But like I said, a little soapy water. Slides right on. I'm going to put the mirror back on and then do the other side. All right, guys. Sorry the lights went out on me, but let me just give you a close-up on these grips. Of course, I put my assist there, my throttle assist, my hand cramp buster. Just to let you guys know that it is wider. The grip is a lot wider. Good, very comfortable on your hands. The rubber feels good, nice grip, and because there's a lot of rubber inside, it's definitely a vibration dampening product. So, and as for looks, it comes in black and the red. Of course, I got the red accent. So this is it. I would definitely get these grips and try them out. You'll find them on the link below. So check it out. Oh, look at the bee.